Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sellersburg, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers are expert movers when moving over 50 miles. We know all the state and federal roads and understand how to maneuver them. Our movers pay attention to every detail when handling your belongings. Our drivers have a lot of experience moving belongings over long distances. To ensure maximum protection of your belongings, we have the necessary insurance coverage. You can trust us to deliver your belongings with no damage and deliver them on time. A move of less than 50 miles from the origin of the destination is a local relocation. 3 Movers offers the best moving services in Sellersburg. Although local moves are not as complex as long distance moves, competent movers and a well structured plan are needed to ensure smooth action. We also have a team of local movers that are always available to help with the entire process. Our moving rates are also the cheapest in Sellersburg. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Sellersburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.